morning. Today I am here to deliver a lecture on loops in C. As you all know that C language is the basic language. So today we'll speak on decision making, branching and looping in C. I am Assistant Professor Sunny B. Sal from the Computer Engineering Department of Sri L.R. Tiwari College of Engineering, Mira Road. Let us just talk about some introduction to C. As I told you, it is a basic beginner's programming language. If you think of programming, you should first begin with C programming, as it is most popular programming language, and it was developed by Dennis Ritchie at the AT&T lab, Bell's Laboratory in United States of America. It has a large scope in software development. So decision making in C, you just keep your eyes on branching statements. There are so many categories. There is a simple if statement, if else statement, else if ladder statement, nested if else, where you can have if else statement within another if else, if or else. There is a switch case, there is a break statement, a continue statement, a go to statement, as you can see. Now decision making in C, where you have looping statements, and there are for loop, while loop and do while loop. So we'll see loops in C. First, what is a loop? We'll see the definition. A loop is a block of statement that repeats more than one times. A loop has three important parts. First is the starting condition, which is also called initial condition. Second one is the checking condition, or you call it as a test condition. And the third one is direction condition, or you also call it as a next condition. So let us see the syntax of for loop. As you can see there, a for loop, and within the bracket you have initial condition, test condition and the direction condition. The loop starts from a curly braces open, and it ends at the curly braces closed, or right parenthesis, and in between these parentheses there is block of statements which you want to repeat. So this block of statement will be repeated based on the checking condition, initial condition and the direction condition. Let's see example of for loop. You can give for any int I. As you can see, int I equals to 1, which is the initial condition. I less than 5 is the testing condition, and I plus plus is the direction condition. So my loop execution will begin with the initial condition I equals to 1, then it will go to check whether I is less than 5, that is 1 is less than 5, and here 1 is less than 5 gives us true. So the condition is satisfied and the loop will be executed. And inside the loop there is a printf statement which will just print the output. It will print hello, and in place of %d it will print the I, the value in I, that is 1. So it will print hello 1. /n indicates that after printing hello 1 the cursor will go to the next line. After this loop body is executed, the direction condition executes, that is I plus plus. It will increment the value of I by 1. So now I will become 2, and again we will check the condition whether 2 is less than 5. We get the answer yes, and again we repeat or execute the block, and this time it will print hello 2. Cursor will go in the new line, and this will continue for I is equals to 3 and 4 as well. Once your I become 5 less than 5, your condition will be false and you will not get entry into the loop, or you finish your repetition of loop. So you'll get this sort of output, that is hello 1, 2, hello 2, hello 3 and hello 4. It will not print hello 5 because when your I became 5, your loop condition did not satisfy. Your I was less than 5. Similarly, you have a while loop. Here the initial condition is written somewhere above while, and once you reach the while loop, you will just have to specify the testing condition I less than 5, whatever you want to, and then you have your start of loop from the curly braces, your end of loop till right parenthesis or curly braces. In between you have the body of the loop, and again similar to previous program, it will print hello, and for the first time it will print hello 1. I will increment, again repeat the loop, 2 less than 5, hello 2 will be printed. I will become 3, 3 less than 5, hello 3 will be printed, and so on. It will print till hello 4. So it is very much similar to the previous program. I have not changed any condition. Example for do while loop, and here also you have initial condition somewhere before the do, then you have a do which will be allowing you into the loop without checking any condition. Mark my words, without checking any condition. For the first time you get entry into the body of loop, and then you check the condition while exiting from the loop, that is while I less than 5. Your I was 1, so you have incremented that I with I plus plus. Now it has become 2, so 2 less than 5 you will repeat 3. For 4 you will repeat. While your I is 5, 5 less than 5 will give you false, and your test condition fails, and you will exit from the loop. So basically in your for loop, while loop and do while loop, there is not much difference. Just let us focus on what are the similarities and differences in the different loops. All the loop, for loop, while loop and while loop, do while loop can be used as per their requirement, and while loop is very similar to for loop, just placement of initial condition, the test condition and the direction condition is different. Thus they are also called entry controlled loop, and do while loop is different from while loop. The only difference is that in do while loop the initial condition is not checked for the first time when you enter into the loop body. Thus it is called the exit controlled loop. It's very important concept in programming. Thank you.